Here we are constructing the formwork to build an abutment. This abutment is the end wall of a bridge against natural earth. A temporary earthworking platform using sheet piles has been constructed to support the earth so that construction work can commence on the second abutment. In this photo, you'll see that we're constructing falsework to pour cast in situ bridge piers. Please note, water-filled barriers are not to be used as protective devices. They are only intended to be a delineation device to guide traffic passing around the construction area. In this image, you will see a concrete pump pumping concrete into a cast in situ deck. Note the engineer inspecting the Rio spacing. Other workers here include concrete workers and concrete finishers. You can see the enormity of steel used within the bridge structures. The steel fixers are placing the steel reinforcement while working in conjunction with the dogman and crane. This image shows a concrete pump in action pumping concrete into a cast in situ parapet mould. Concrete parapets are a safety barrier installed on the edge of bridges, retaining walls, or between the roadway and footpaths to add further protection for motorists and pedestrians. Here we see a 100-ton crane placing a bridge girder on top of the headstocks. On these headstocks are bearing pedestals. Bearing pedestals are devices that transfer loads and movements from the deck structure to the bridge foundation, just like a shock absorber in a car. This picture shows the vast amount of scaffolding and falsework needed to support the formwork required to build a typical headstock. This scaffold will be exposed to enormous loads during construction, so it must be constructed by experienced and safety-conscious people. This is the next stage of the previous slide. The formwork has been placed on top of the falsework in and around the bridge pier. Here we see the workers placing the bridge girder onto the bearing pedestals. These particular girders are commonly known as I-beams. Note the shape. Once these beams are in place, the steel fixers commence placing the steel reinforcement for the cast in situ deck. This picture shows the teamwork required when pouring concrete through a concrete pump into the steel reinforcement on a cast in situ deck. Note the team member in the red vest using a concrete vibrating needle to achieve the desired compaction of the concrete.